my question is that coming from an Orthodox family, how how do you define your journey as a draping artist?
I don't know how to define my journey. My journey has been a roller coaster ride. Lots of struggles and lots of ups and downs and lots of hate from the society, from the family, for the stupid thing that I was doing. And when people do stupid things, they look like me. When I started 20 years back, there was no career called saree draping. We had makeup artists, they would do the hair, they would do the drape, and then something that shifted, which was then the hair artist and the makeup artist. Then the hair artist would do draping. But you need to understand, they never understood the fabric, they never understood the body language, they never understood the gentry, they never understood drape. They just fixed you. पापा कहते थे कि बेटा सब चीज करोगे तो एक चीज में मास्टरी नहीं होगी, मास्टर बनना है तो एक चीज के ऊपर. वो हमेशा कहते हैं ना कि just take one idea, nurture that one idea, give your mind, body, every muscle of your body to nurture that one idea. That's when you make that one idea the idea. So I think that's exactly what I did. It wasn't easy for me. This is the decode that she's wearing. It's cotton, it's got elastic, but it's not only got elastic, it's got drawstring और breathable. आपके बिल्कुल वो जो हमारे निशान हो जाते हैं, हम अपनी मम्मी लोगों के देखते हैं. You don't get in this. So for the first time announcing it in Ludhiana, I have just started off with my blouses and they will be known as the choli. क्योंकि दादी नानी से हम सुनते थे, दादी हमेशा कहती थी मारो घाघरो चोली ला दे. So I said, why should we forget them? जब उनकी चोली थी तो let's bring choli back. So I think that's the reason this has got choli. It's again got, it's stretchable. This. And आप देखते हैं मैं कैसे फोल्ड करके डालती हूँ. You know, saree is something that instantly gives you that power, that respect, you know, that you require.